Hello everyone. My name is Lily, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off Shuffle on Spotify Android. It's really fast and easy, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and choose my Spotify app over here, and when you're here, you can now choose any playlist you're currently listening to. I'm simply going to select this playlist, and when you hit play, the playlist will automatically shuffle. To switch it off, all I really have to do is go to the first song and press on it to bring it to full screen. So at the bottom here on the left-hand side, there are these crossing arrows. Clicking on them activates Shuffle, which means it will now randomly shuffle through the whole playlist. If I switch it off, it will play from the beginning to the end without shuffling the songs, or if you want to revert to shuffle mode, simply toggle the crossing arrows back on. And if you check to the right of it, the arrows are going in a circle. That is where you can switch on or off repeat. If you have any questions about all this, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.